Hello guys, welcome to another After Effects tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how we can actually create a radial blur effect on our videos. So what we have to do is you have to just try and import the video already in After Effects. You bring in the video to After Effects, and what you do is you go to edit and duplicate the layer of the video. So I'm going to unhide just the duplicated video layer now. So I'll select the original video layer, and I'm going to add a radial blur effect. So under the blur and sharpen, I'll just click and drag and put it over the video. So what I'm going to do is I'll try and adjust some few settings here, because this is the default settings and I have to customize it. I can change the type to zoom. As you can see, you're getting another kind of effect. Then I can also try and use the spin effect. So let's start with the zoom effect now. We're using the zoom type. So I'm going to change the amount to 19, so you can see the zoom effect around the edges of the video. So I'm going to change the best quality to high. I'm going to change it to high. So let's try and have a preview here of the video. There's one thing I'm noticing: the center of where the blur is coming is now actually on the face of the model. So what we have to do is we have to adjust the center of the radial blur, so it has to come from the face. So I'm going to bring my time indicator to the beginning of the frame. So I'm going to click on the stopwatch just to create a keyframe. Then I'm going to move the center right to where Tega's face is, as you can see. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try and track the face. I'm going to try and track the face. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll keep moving the center, and automatically it will be adding keyframes for us. So after adding all the keyframes, all I have to do is I'll drag over all the keyframes. I'll right click, and I'm going to add a keyframe assistant easy use on it, just to smooth out the whole animation. So as you can see now, I think this is looking beautiful and nice. So that's just the simple effect in few minutes. All you have to do is just add the effect and try and track the center, make sure it's coming from the face of the model. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to review back my duplicated and video layer. I will select the ellipse tool, and I'm going to try and create a mask around the face. I'll click and drag holding shift and command just to make a perfect circle. So I'll make it big enough to cover the whole face. I'll select the marks. After selecting the marks, I will try and select the marks part. Then I'm going to select my move tool. Then I'm going to try and move the marks right about the center of the face. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the marks feather to about 140. So increasing it to about 140, can you see it's giving the edge a kind of very soft edge, blending into the spin blur. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a keyframe over max part, just the way we did for our center, just to track the face along, because we are removing the effect from the face just to make our face a little bit visible. So we keep playing the video, just drag the time indicator and adjust the marks you've created. Automatically it will create keyframes along the video. So that's what I'm going to do. After doing that, I'm going to do the same, drag over all my keyframes and add a keyframe assistant easy use, just to smooth out the animation a little bit. So I'm going to have a quick preview here. As you can see, the face is in focus. What we did there was just trying to create a mask over the face just to isolate the face from the effect. So I can just try and adjust some other settings again here. Just you can change it to spin, and as you can see we are getting another beautiful effect. Let me try and bring down the amount to about 9, and as you can see, let's have a quick preview. So you can just try and adjust the settings and try and make it look what you're actually going for. You can use the different type, you can use the spin, you can also use the zoom just to create different type of effects on your video. After adding a little bit of color grading and adjusting the clip in general, this is the final output of the two effects. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. I am Radial Daniel. If you really like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you.